The award for Among Best Institute Financial Accounting in Kolkata goes to Tally Academy Institute of Learning. May I invite Mr. Subhankar Roy, Director of Tally Academy, to receive this award? Established in 2005, Tally Academy, India's one of the reputed and renowned skills and talent development brand, provides training related to computer software, hardware, networking, accounts, IT, ITES, skill development, and many other sectors.
Congratulations, sir, on winning this prestigious award today for yourself. So, in which category have you won this award, and how do you feel about, getting recognized by Time Cyber Media?
I received this award for Best Training Computer Training Center at Calcutta, and I feel very proud and honored to receive this awards from Honorable Minister Mr. Chetan Chauhan and former Indian cricketer also. And I would like to dedicate this award all of our Tally Academy students, Tally Academy franchisee, and my family members. And thank you Cyber Media for organized great ceremony, award ceremony at Park Hotel, Delhi. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations once again.